nobody can, it's a long process papapil sa Supreme Court unless you kaso doon, matagalan yan, minister pa yan. So if you want a redress of grievance, there is no urgent remedy. So, it is only the military who says. Kaya ang sabihin ko, presidente ako, nakita ko ang sitwasyon. Kung gano'n rin ang presidente na in face of so many errors there, nagtupak-tupak na ng hanggang nagkaroon ng breakage, fracture, governance. It is only the military who can correct it.
Are you saying military junta can answer?
No. Sinabi ko sa lahat yan, magtanong ka ng sundalo, ano mga opisyal dyan, sinabi na magpunta ka. Sinabi ko lang, it is only the military who can correct it. Now, to answer your question, ibig kong sabihin ang military, well, it's an option sa military. One, they just can sit there sa upuan nila, doon sa bukid, maglinis ng barel. Nagsabi lang sila na we are not anymore hindi na sila magkudita na magpunta yung tangki digira na. Sabihin lang nila na ayaw na namin yung laro ninyo. Out kami dyan. Kasi kung walang military, yung laro nila, wala na.
What do you mean out, Mayor? Getting out means...
I don't know. Basta hindi yan kudita, hindi yan basta sabi lang ng military. You are oppressing people and you are spending our money like water. Pati kami in the coming days, mawawalaan kami ng aming retirement, magalaw. Hindi kami sasali sa inyo.
Silent protest. Not taking orders at all.
Hindi silent protest. Military lang talaga.
Oh, military silent protest. We can take orders from Manila. You do not take orders from the commander. That's it.
Hindi, sabihin na nga niya. Sir, huwag mo kaming isali. Pati kami, ang mga asawa ko nagtrabaho sa gobyerno, nakataya. Tingnan mo naman yung pera. Kinuha ninyo sa GSIS. PhilHealth, 89.
Still on Sam's service?
Pinagbili nila, saan itong pera? 25 tons of gold reserves natin sold amounting to 129 billion. At least sa Congress kung may resolution tapos bill that will correspond with it, there's an explanation of how the money is going to be spent. Pero ito, paano ito ngayon? Sila lang nakaalam nito. Yung Maharlika, sila lang nakaalam nito. Walang participation ng people dyan, pati ito. So, ganitong 25 tons. Alam ba ng military yan? Hindi sabihin nila, kung wala hindi na kami sasali ng laro.
Bumili pa ata eh.
Pero Mayor, parang play safe naman ang military ngayon. Do you think si Trump
State your Can you restate your statement?
Can you expect that Brownell will respond?
When ito, pag nilabas din ito, your question must also correspondingly appear. Importante yan. So, guard.
Oo, kasi may statement siya, dapat isan, dapat stay put lang yung military, wala naman siyang sinabi, no? In fact, si Inday na nagsabi na tulog-tulugan yung chief of staff. Paano daw makakatulog yung chief of staff?
Matagal na siyang natulog. Alam niya yung commander-in-chief niya nagdudruga. Noon pa yan, alam na ng lahat. Baka siya lang ang hindi. Ang mga polis. Kaming taga Davao, alam namin si Lagdameo nagdudruga. Kasi kasama namin siya palagi dito sa diyan kay Pedro. Kaya yung sip-o ni mag-usap kami, yung sip-o ni Lagdameo magtulo yan. Hindi niya alam nagtulo yung sip-o niya. Minsan gano'n na lang yan. Alam ni Marcos na siya Lagdameo durugista. Alam ni Lagdameo na durugista. Magkasama yan sila sa hit-hitan. So, another appropriate question would be, yung ito with sincerity. Kayo bang mga military pati police, would you still continue to support a drug addict? Alam ninyo kung mana, pero tanungin mo lang yung Presidential Security Command. Puro military man yan. You did not go far. Yung mga tao ninyo sa military. Hanggang kailan kayo magsuporta ng drug addict na presidente? Sabihin mo sa amin. Kasi nagpapatulong kami to get the answers. Sana we cannot get a correct and accurate or true answer from kami ang magtanong. Barado kami ngayon eh. So under the constitutional provision of the right to be heard, kailangan sagutin ninyo yan. The right to be heard, the right to be informed. Importante yan. Constitutional provision yan. Mr. General sa military. And the right of the people to seek redress of grievance. Kayo lang ang makabigay niyan ngayon. The right of information, you protect that right and allow us to use it. And we are seeking for redress of grievance of the abuses of government. Huwag na lang yung dalawang babae na inaano nila. Karaming sabi, ganon, tantrum. Hysterical yun, hindi yun ano. Eh, kung ikaw may kasama ka na worker mo, delirium na, what are you supposed to do? Ako sa isang tanong na. Mr. Military, give us that right. The right of information that is true and correct, the right of redress of grievance, and the right to protect us.
Pretty short of challenging Browner now. Pretty short of
Wala akong tina-challenge. I don't have to challenge to anybody. I'm challenged to the military itself. The whole of the military, kasi sila ang supposed to be protector of the Constitution. Now tell me, kung protector sila ng Constitution, are they willing to still protect the president who is a drug addict for another 4 years? At kung sabihin mo hindi nila alam, address sabihin ko, wag tayo magbulahan. Alam ninyo yan noon, alam ninyo ngayon yan. Sabihin lang ninyo, kaya kung gano'n na lang, sabihin ko sa lahat ng mga bata dito sa Pilipinas, guys, follow the president. Start smoking marijuana and graduate sa Cebu. Yung presidente, gano'n. The best example is gano'n.
But people are looking up to you as a patriot and nationalist.
Hindi nga, people looking at me because that president is silent. Kita mo ulit siyang ginawa. Dapat at first stage pa ng laalitan, sandali. Hindi naman dumaan estudyante yan eh. Yan si Sulaika, anak ni Joe Lopez yan.
Bibili yata.
Sigma Rowan.
Ewan ko ano, bibili yun yung mga yun.
So marami yan siyang dyan.
Pag mo si Tatay Digong, alsamin ka na. So how do you react to all this?
Ayaw ko kasi presidente ako. Once upon a time, I was president. Now, I could just imagine what will happen to my country if things go awry. Ganyan na. So, hindi manggaling sa akin.
Sorry. Kung ang tao na mayor ang pupunta at mag-alsa,
So, I will take my cue from the military. Kung sabihan nila na they will take this step, I will support it. Sige, Mayor, samahan mo kami, magpunta tayo doon sa tignan nating record. We will ask. Tapos ganun. I will follow.
as the former president, do you see the repeat of history?
No. Leave me out. Ako basta kung may mga ganong uprising, sinabi ko na sa kanila, I'm out. Wala akong participation.
But will you not
No nothing.
to enjoy just
No nothing.
You're just airing out as a citizen. Mayor,
I mean,
to enjoy them to opt out?
what?
Opt out from supporting what you said was Durham is the president. Are you not going to enjoy them to opt out?
Civilian ako. I have no authority to order
No, not
them to...
order, but just enjoying them or
And I am not enjoining them. I am not telling them anything. Ito lang ang tanong ko sa military. Hanggang kailan kayo magsuporta ng drug addict? Yes, about 4 years. Kayong magsabi, yes sir, we are a loyalist bunch of sabihin ko sa Pilipino, taga Davao, sabi nitong mga military natin, okay daw. Ang critical dyan is alam nila na durugista si Presidente. Hindi nila, tanungin lang nila yung kaya isang kita mo kung hindi bangag Tama yung isang gwardiya dyan sa Presidential Guard nag-suicide. Minumurak. If you can tap the fingers and say, huwag ka masyado matulog. Kunti na lang. Ano kung ako yun? Isin mo na, huwag ka matulog. Kape ka lang. Murahin mo. Kaya po ka napahiya. Sundalo na pagkamatay.
Meron din na ang colonel na yun.
Oh, nabaril sa argument yun. Ito ang argument about the present situation. I do not know whose side was the Colonel.
Mayor, yung PS,
Was with.
what happened pala sa
Colonel? Hindi mo nagsuicide yun.
PSG?
Yung PSG nagsuicide talaga. Minura niya. Ni Mrs. Marcos.
Kailan yan, Mayor?
Bago lang. Siguro mga 2 months pa lang ako na umalis.
Mayor, may ano dito paas daw, paano mag-react si Browner kasi ang sister daw ni Browner ay na-appoint ng Court of Appeals.
So, Browner is a non-reactive soldier.
Mayor, going back, what
Ano mo, depende yan kang Browner. How he looks at the... Kung pabor siya sa bayan at alam niya he would insist na matino, wala man tayong magawa. That